ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
National General Secretary Jong ka National People's Party badairu usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala upa Sniawbhalang dhar ulayathul upa bakaseng Kongres Shen kan saja kerteng nakani Kejala Meghalaya. Ha kejia keren bat kilat patai kubor upa Sniawbhalang dhar ula kedau ya kajing peniso Jong ki laingot ki MLA ka Kongres badang Shen syaka NPP. Kumunong elam barim jong kaseng Kongres uba Sniawbhalang dhar ula ongru ba wat mauru ula shemi karai ban petno naka Kongres haus nam arjar khanyo hadien ba ula yoi baka Lieng jong ka Kongres kalajan Ngam.
But I think you may ask this question to the Congress MLA. They are the most appropriate to reply for this. Why I switched to NPP? I know that Congress is going to sing. My prediction is good. Maybe I'm right. 2017-18, I switched to NPP, so I know that time Congress is going to sing in no time. It seemed towards that. It seemed. Winning and losing election is a part of politics, because MP election is totally different from MLA election, and MLA election is totally different from MDC election. People are very wise on how to vote, whom to vote.